All right.
Put it in the basket. Are there any more in there?
Easter eggs, where are you?
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
Keep looking. It's not all in there.
There's a lot more. I see
around.
one. I see one.
Turn around.
You gotta turn around. Look up.
A couple little. Not that far up. That way. Keep looking. Turn your head a little bit. Not that. Oh, it's a snake.
There it is.
Keep looking. You see one?
up there.
No, I didn't put them up too high. We can't reach them up there.
Oh,
She's trying to get the toy.
I know, that's what I was
I
thinking.
see two.
I see two more. I see three more right now.
where'd it go? Here it is. I found it. Oh,
Aww.
it's cute.
I see two more. You gotta
I
look.
see one hiding in
look
your
up a little.
toys.
They're in your toys.
Look right
No,
there.
no, your toys
In
over
the-
here.
I see one in a Ferris wheel.
Look in your Ferris wheel.
He's riding the Ferris wheel.
Where it go?
He goes around and around. He goes wee.
Did you look on your Wonder Pets treehouse? Your schoolhouse?
Oh no, down there.
Yeah,
Look.
there's one there.
There's one hiding there. You
Looks too much
found
like
it.
toys.
Let's look at the toys by
Wait, are there any over there?
I know. They're closed. And then across it. And then across it.
Ew, they're in his stinky shoes. Why did the Easter Bunny put them in Daddy's stinky shoes?
Let's find more. There it is.
All right.
Oh, wait.
That's a cute one.
Are there any more in that hallway? Turn around. Look around, Ella.
Look, I found it.
All right.
Are there any more in here?
Oh, this one over there. And this room. Let's go inside.
Good thing you turned the light on.
Helps her find them.
I only put two in here.
There's somewhere. I find it too. I find it down there. And I get it too.
You might have to find this one later.
It's fun.
Oh, you found them.
You see any more in here?
I hide it. Stitch.
Nah, Stitch didn't hide any.
I want to look at more. We're going to Tata.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Tata. The mom's way.
You want to go and look at Mommy and Daddy's room?
Oh wait, let's go.
There might be more in there.
Any more in here?
No?
You found it.
Look at Daddy's bed. I don't see anything.
You gotta
You
look
don't see
for
anything
them.
behind you?
Look around. Look around stuff.
And more. Let's get more. Party. Where'd you go? Can't find it. I got food.
What if you had to go pee pee? Where would you go?
Oh. Oh.
What if you had to take a shower? Where would you go?
A shower.
Yeah, where would you go if you had to take a shower?
My bathroom.
What if Mommy had to take a shower?
It's a mother shower.
Yeah, there it is.
Let's look at more.
I don't know. Are there any more over there?
Let's go.
There's more. You missed one.
Hmm?
Keep looking. Go around that way.
What, this way?
No, this way. Keep looking. Go closer. Keep looking. They're not on the bed. I don't think you should put them on the bed.
Not
You
on
missed
the
one.
bed. There it is. You found it.
Let's go.
There's some more in here. There's more in here. I guess you and Daddy have to find them. Daddy's standing right by one. Where he was.
Keep going round and round.
I found
You found it. Daddy didn't even
it.
see it.
It's pink.
It's a pink one. And there's one more in here. It's hidden.
My bag?
It's over here. It's over here. You found
Aw,
it.
It's a cute.
It's a cow.
It's a cute cow.
It is a
It's
cute
a bone.
cow.
It's
Are there any more?
No.
No? I think there's some in the living room.
There aren't any outside.
There could be some. If you had to sit down, where would you go?
Where would you sit down at, Ella? Not outside. There aren't any outside.
We didn't put any out there for you.
Put your cow in the basket. And come this way. They're
Hey,
not
Ella.
outside.
Yeah.
If you were gonna sit in a chair, where would you go?
Come here, baby. Are there any others?
Daddy's here.
Hear what she called it.
All right.
There's another one in here. You
What?
turn around.
And another chair.
Where's the other chair?
Tick.
Tick?
Hey, Ella.
Oh no! What did you say?
There it is. You got it.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Ella, you missed one.
Oh no.
I know where
And
one is.
put it in your basket. Go find another one.
Oh, it's Vicky.
I know where one is.
Daddy's bag.
No, there's one in Daddy's bag. You know where one is? Where might it be?
Yay!
Sanaa.
I don't know. We can open them all. Can you give me 5? On the side? In the hole? Tootsie Roll.
Yo, yo,